If you want to cancel your ChatGPT plan, this video will show you exactly how to do it. Hey everyone, this is Abdul. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your ChatGPT plan whether you subscribed on the ChatGPT website on iPhone or on Android. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's get started. If you subscribe directly on the ChatGPT website, first open ChatGPT and make sure you're logged in into the correct account. Then click on your profile icon, go to Settings, and inside Settings, go to the Account tab. Now look for the Manage option. Click on it and then choose Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts on the screen to confirm the cancellation. That's it. If you subscribed on iPhone through the App Store, then you won't cancel it inside the ChatGPT. Instead, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap your name at the top, then tap Subscriptions. Find ChatGPT in your list of subscriptions and tap on it. Now tap Cancel Subscription and confirm. If you subscribed on Android through Google Play, open the Google Play Store. Make sure you are signed in into the same Google account you used for the subscription. Then tap your profile icon, go to the Payments and Subscription, then Subscriptions, tap on ChatGPT. Now tap Cancel Subscription and follow the steps on the screen. One important thing to know is that cancelling your plan does not usually stop the access immediately. In most cases, you can still use your paid plan until the end of your current billing period. If this helped, drop a like as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.